introduction video with you guys. Um, this is Math 17250, the summer section, which means it's only about 9 weeks long. So I was going to go ahead and mention to you guys, if you struggle in math, this might not be the class for you because this is a trig class, which is in 9 week summer section. Normally, our math classes are about 16 weeks. So that means we're going to be covering 4 sections just about a week. So again, if you struggle on math, you might want to withdraw and retake it in the fall section. Um, I just wanted to quickly run through the course with you guys. We're going to be using a program called MyOpenMath. We will also still use Moodle. So you need to be checking Moodle every single week. And in Moodle, it'll tell you what you need to be doing. Um, most of our like our book work and our practice problems, you have video lessons for every section will be used in MyOpenMath, and there's directions in MyOpenMath. I give you that in Moodle, but then you'll also be about, I think it's 4 tests or exams that will be in Moodle that you'll have to take. So again, and there's going to be notes in Moodle that you'll need to check for. So you guys need to be in Moodle every week and technically MyOpenMath every week. But again, those directions are going to be in Moodle. I'm going to share the screen. Sorry, guys. Let's see, share. All right, so looks when you log in, this is what your courses. All right, so when you log in, this is what it's going to look like. This is my contact information. I'm not going to be in the office during the summer hours, so if you want to get in touch with me, email is the quickest way. And then if I need to set up a time to meet with you, we can do it virtually over the phone or on Teams, or I could also come into the office at some point. When you log in, your course announcements will be here. Your mandatory enrollment assignment is going to be due by May 26th. And then I kind of have a brief introduction here. Your video, which I'm doing right now, will be up here. Um, Here is your instructor interaction plan. The syllabus is listed here, and then the course outline is here. I'm going to pull up the syllabus. This is what the syllabus will look like. Um, you guys can kind of go through this. I need to change this. I realized that was So yeah, this is going to be kind of a 9 week. I have the outline up already. Your your quizzes will be, I mean, your exams, you'll have about 4. I'm taking out the reading assignments, so that's not going to be up there. And then your quizzes, review, assessments, discussions is 60%. This is the wrong syllabus. Guys, I was thinking this looked different. I'm in the wrong class. Yeah, I'm in the wrong class. Okay, there we go. My courses, 172. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Um, Same thing here. Your syllabus is here. But no, I know I fixed all this. All right, let me pull up your syllabus. It's not linking right. All right, here it is. The course opens May 20th, which is, and then it ends on July 23rd. Here's the information. You're going to have, I think, about 4 exams. They'll count 40%. Your homework assignments or the video assignments will 40%. Your final exam will be 20%. There's not a required textbook. The OER is going to be listed in that My Open Math program. We'll be using Moodle, My Open Math, YouTube videos. If you have a graphing calculator, you can use that. Here's kind of the course outline, and I'll pull up the outline in just a second to pull that up. So yeah, you guys read over that. If there's any questions, please let me know. Edit this real quick. Edit this. Apparently, they're all documents. Okay. So, this is not up to date yet, but this is what it's going to look like. These are going to be correct. Your outline, I believe, is correct up here. Oh, good. Oh, here is your schedule. This is what it looks like. Week 1, you're going to have about 3 video lessons and an intro to My Open Math. Week 2, you'll have 4 lessons. Week 3, you'll have 3 lessons and a test. Week 4, about 4, let's see, a lot of sections and a test. 4 sections in week 5, and then 4 sections week 6. Then you have 5.1 through 5.4 tests in week 7. Week 8, you have some more polar stuff, and then another test, and then week 9 is your final exam. So this is kind of what it looks like. When you log into My Open Math, I have the directions here. Goodness, I thought I had fixed all this. This gives you the directions here. This is what it looks like. When you log in, I give you the course ID, the enrollment key is summer 2026. And then when you log in, this is what your course is going to look like. I have the first 2 weeks up here right now, but I'll have them all updated shortly. But this is what your first week is due May 27th. Your enrollment assignment's due on the 26th, so just remember that. And then the next week, you have the next 4 weeks in there. So you can go to the calendar in My Open Math, and it'll link you to all the assignments. Your due dates are always going to be on Wednesday, so just remember that. If you see something off that's not due on a Wednesday, shoot me an email because I might have the date wrong in one of these. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure when you're opening your tests that they are in you download the Word. I'm also going to attach a PDF copy so that way if it looks funky, look at the PDF copy or shoot me an email. You guys will need to scan your answers or take a picture of it and submit those answers so that I can see your work for your test. And again, that'll be in Moodle. Your video assignments and quizzes will be in My Open Math. But that's about it. I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and shoot me an email if you have any questions. Okay.